Okay, folks, I'm interviewing my daddy. What do you have to say about this knife on your plate?
Well, this knife happens to be a very interesting knife. It happens to be clean on one side and have some ketchup on the other side. Now, it could be blood, because we could have been out there, maybe killing some deer or other types of animals for this dinner this evening, but, wait a second. Did we have deer or any other animals for dinner this evening?
No, it's because we're vegetarians, and I interviewed the ketchup, so it's just ketchup on it.
Oh, I see. But what did we have for dinner this evening?
We had French fries and veggie burgers.
French fries on veggie burgers?
Yes.
Veggie boogers? Is that what we had?
No,
Oh,
burgers.
burgers. Alright, could we say goodbye?
Okay, for now.
Thank you for shopping, folks.
Thanks for the commercial. Bye.